Hi everyone and welcome to Defi Daily, the channel where every day we talk about DeFi, going through different analysis, tutorials and news. Today we're going to talk how we should adapt our yield farm strategy accordingly to what is going on the market. Because right now we are starting a new bull run. And in this moment, price could literally skyrocketing any moment soon. And this could change, or at least should change, your strategy also when we are talking about yield farming. Before to start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel. It's really easy. All you have to do is just press the subscribe button, and please leave me also a thumbs up to help me spread the word, reach more people and grow the channel. That's just a small action, but really means a lot to me. Remember that all the contents in this channel are just for educational purpose and nothing has to be intended as a financial advice. If you want to invest in anything, that could be great, but please do always your own research first. Let's start. As you probably know, Bitcoin is approaching the major resistance and is near to do a new all-time high. And if it breaks the $65,000, it means that we are entering in a new completely phase of the market. And this will change completely what's going on in the whole market, not only on Bitcoin. And what does it mean? It means that in the next 3 to 5 months, or maybe even 6 or whatever will be, our strategy when we are farming should also change. Because remember, if the price of Bitcoin can do like, let's say, a doubling or doing a 2.5 or whatever it is, all the altcoins could literally start to skyrocket, and we can also see a difference like 10x, 15x, 20x. And remember, the smaller is the coin, much higher is also the volatility, and much higher could be the price that kind of tokens or coin could reach. And this is something that you have really to take in account when you are organizing your own yield strategy. The main difference between the moment when we are going sideways, and I know that saying sideways in a crypto market is not so correct because the volatility, even if the price is going sideways, could be even 50%. But the point, as I said just a moment before, when we are talking about a bull run, the price could change so rapidly, so fast, and in a so decisively way that everything can change. And the point is, in the moment when you are farming, the more the price is volatile, the more impermanent loss you will encounter. And this is really important because remember, let's say for example that we have a pool with inside Ethereum or any other kind of coin and token with a stable coin, like let's say USDC, USD or whatever you like. Until the price of Ethereum is moving like, I don't know, let's say even 50%, that is quite a lot, but not so much if you think about a bull run, because in a bull run the price could go also for Ethereum even 3x, even 4x and so on. The point is that when the price is moving just by 50%, your impermanent loss would be around 2 to 3%. But if the price is going up much faster and it's going like 2x, 3x, 4x, the impermanent loss could also reach a level of 20%, 30%. And that's quite a lot, because let's say, for example, that you put inside 10K and the price of that kind of altcoin is going up by 5x, and in this case, just holding them, you would have in your portfolio 50K. Unfortunately, on the other side, if you decided to add this 10K to a pool and start farming, instead of having at the end 50K, you would have something like just 40K. So you will lose the opportunity to maximize your earnings and losing, unfortunately, almost 10K. So as you can understand, if when we are just moving sideways, Impermanence loss is something that we can say, okay, yes, we know that it is, but we know that it's real, but we can ignore it. In the moment when the price is moving so much, we should take in account also the impermanent loss. So what is my advice? I'm not saying that during a bull run you should not farm, because farming most of the time could be a great opportunity. But you have to pay really close attention to how long do you keep your tokens and your coins inside a pool, for different kind of reasons. The first reason is because in any case, even if the market is not in a bull run but is just moving sideways, the APR and APY can change so fast, and if in a certain moment it could be great using this kind of pool because it was offering you a so high APY, on the other side, if the APY is going just down even a bit, maybe it could be the case to change the pool and change the way you are farming with your coins. Not to mention that in the moment when you are seeing any signal for the market that the price is breaking some major resistance, because remember in which moment the probability to see a really high increase into the price is higher. When the probability is higher, the probability is higher in the moment when the price it is breaking some major resistance. And to understand it, you have to check the chart between Bitcoin with the altcoin that you are owning and that you are using to farm, and also the chart between the dollar and the altcoin that you are using. These two charts are really important because can really give you a hand, can really help you to understand in which moment it could be better just holding your coins. Because in the moment when the price is ready to skyrocket, that's the moment to maybe it could be better just holding, or instead just investing your coins or tokens not in a pool with impermanent loss, but in a pool that don't have impermanent loss. In this case, we are talking about stable pools, and that are pools with the same asset inside the pool. Two different ways of tokenize this kind of asset. Let's say for Ethereum, ETH with on the other side WETH or SETH or whatever the kind of ETH you are having in your wallet. In this case, due to the fact that the token inside the pool is the same, there is also no impermanent loss. On the other side, during a bull market could also be a good idea just supplying them to a money market and borrow against some dollar or USDC to use them to buy again some other coins of the same kind or whatever you like. Or the last option is, for example, what we have seen into Pancake Bunny with the single asset vault, that are vault where you can just deposit your tokens and start earning and farming some other tokens. The important thing that you have to keep in mind that during a bull run, a permanent loss is much more dangerous than when we were going sideways. So you have to keep an eye on it because it can really ruin your gains. So let's try to recap and let's try to understand how we can solve it. As we said, strategy number one, you should keep an eye on the charts in order to understand, to be ready to take out your tokens and coins in the moment when you see that the price is breaking some major resistance and is ready to pump in an incredible way. This is the right moment to just go out from your position. Second option, just choosing some yield farm, some opportunity that is offering you a stable pool. Let's say, for example, a pool with inside two different kind of Ethereum or two different kind of the same asset. In this case, there is no impermanent loss. The third option is to use your tokens or coins to supply them into a money market and to use them to borrow some other coins, or on the other side just using them to supply and start earning some reward, some yield. The fourth option is using them to supply on platforms like the single asset vault on Pancake Bunny that are offering you the opportunity to earn some yield without any kind of impermanent loss. If you have any other idea or any other strategy that we can use to minimize our impermanent loss during a bull market, just write me down here in the comments. And as always, guys, please leave me also a thumbs up to help me grow the channel. And I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye, guys.